Hey y'all, I'm back, and today I'm going to be making my slime a makeover because this is why. Ew, what just got on me? Okay, I probably shouldn't do this. Okay. So yeah, it's gonna be like a real good makeover. There you go. Okay, there you go. So, it's super sticky and hold on, I'm getting some of these, and if you don't know what they are, I'll put them in my description. Nope. Okay, hold on. Hold on. Okay. So yeah. But it's like super. It's like a good but bad slime. So yeah. Hold on. There's something on the line. Just had to wipe y'all off. My soap just fell. Okay, so yeah. By the way, this was a slime thing. So yeah, slime smoothie. So I just want to know something. Okay, there it is. Why? Why do you gotta be that sticky? So, okay, now I don't want to be sticky since it's from you guys. Okay, well, that's okay. Okay, so now, I think I'm gonna add some activator. I've had this out because I was activating one of my other slimes, and you might get to see that one in this video. Roll my slime up. Here. If y'all cannot see my slime, I'm super sorry. Okay. Gotta calm down. Okay, so I'm gonna put it like. There's a whole bunch of papers on my freaking stuff. Okay. So there's a tripod right here, and I'm gonna use it to be basically my tripod. So yeah, y'all might not be able to see my slimes. I don't think you're going to be able to see but yeah. Hold on, let me get my thing. Oh. Okay, do you see my slime? I don't know. Oh yeah, you do. It's right here. Okay. So now yeah, that's what I just did. I added some activator in, I don't know. So you're gonna create like a little hole right there. So you're going to create a pocket. You should keep it, but if you don't, you just got to mix because, oh, look. Look what I get treated for. Oh my God. So, that's how I get treated when I make the slime. right to have some destiny in life. Okay. Okay, well. Okay. Okay. Okay, so now it's kind of not stretchy, so yeah. It's like a little rippy, but I'm gonna have to work with that. I've done this slime for like a long time, so yeah. Okay, there you go. Okay. So my bear's warm, so yeah. Okay. Now I keep saying get like that. So now why am I picking up that? Okay, so I'm gonna add like that much not lotion, soap, because I think that's how this all started. I added like a bunch of soap to like do something and make it softer and funner, but that ended up bad, like really bad. So yeah, my freaking tripod won't stay. It's making me irritated. Okay, there we go. See? Okay, fine. We'll put that over there. That bright light is making me mad, but like... Okay, so I just need a little bit. Yeah, no. That bright light is kind of working, but I wish it was like right there instead of right there, but that's okay. So this is, it needs some more work, if y'all cannot tell. Like, it rips a lot. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some lotion. For some reason, my lotion's on the bottom floor. Because I have these little floor things, basically. And my lotion was on the bottom, and I don't know why. Yeah, there. If this... it does. It just did. Wow. Okay, so apparently my thing is super strong. That, guess what? It just melted my slime. And I'm not here for it. So, I have to reactivate it. And then probably put some more lotion in it. And then keep doing the same process until I end at the end. Okay. So I think I added like enough. Maybe too much. I don't know. But this is like soft. Like super soft. Okay. I keep saying okay. So when I edit this video, I'm going to be super annoyed. let me just boom. They had one little drop, so hopefully that does like something like a little bit of something. Like I don't need like a whole bunch of something, but oh, my head hurts and I feel dizzy. But I'm doing this video for you guys, so. Okay, what college am I gonna go to, slime? You don't know? Okay, that's fine. Oh my god.
Hello?
Okay. So this is super still sticky,
Why?
so put it right there.
What?
Put a little toe.
What happened when you replaced the furnace?
Maybe I added too much. I said maybe. Don't know. If I did, that's okay. Because I can.
So what are we talking about? Do it. You want me to go ahead and give you money or you want
Boom.
alright, because I'm working tomorrow.
So, now.
Alright, bye.
1, 2, 3. Boop, 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 boop. So that's a little bit of some ASMR. Hold on. When it sticks to the back of your hand, you know it's sticky. She makes me cry. She makes me yell, yay. She makes me cry. She makes me yell, yay. She makes me happy. She makes me sad. She makes me both. What? I'm so glad. If that was good, comment down below. And if it wasn't, don't comment at all. If it was good, give this thumbs up. And if it wasn't, give this a thumbs up. If you like my videos or not, I don't care. You should always give it a thumbs up so that you know that I'm still here. And that you still appreciate God. Because if they say, if you appreciate God, you appreciate the person who you watch. And if you clicked on my video and you start watching it and you're like, nope, I don't like her, still like my video. Total lie, but okay. Yeah, just a joke. But if you liked it anyway, don't unlike it. That was just a joke, but please don't like my video if you already liked it. Okay, so I should have been already doing the makeover part, but yeah. So I need to change this. I don't know how to change it though, because I have no freaking colors. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I think. Ginger, stop snoring! Okay, so I don't know what to do, like honestly. So I might just keep it. Wait, hold up. Let me see this. This is kind of pink. Why? Oh, wait. So It's a little pinkish, and I did not put it that way, so I already did it, so yeah. Now we are just you know what? You ready? Boo 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 boo. And then go like this. So now, okay, so now that's what it looks like. So since it looks like all that, okay, it's time for, I love doing this because, okay, time for like our test. So our test is poke. If somebody named this fluffy slime, I'm gonna name it Unicorn Dust. Because it looks like dust and it could be for a unicorn. Okay. Okay. There you go. So there's click. Done. What about the bubble is? Hold on, let me try that again. It has to pass this. It don't have to pass it on first try, no, but it has to. Okay, so does the slime really make bubbles? Yes, it does. Okay, then we gotta like do this thing again. And then you gotta kind of swirl it. It passes the poppy test, the poppily test, yeah. Passes that. Okay, what else? Oh yeah, stretchy test. I'm sorry, I just had to do that, but yeah. It passes that as well. Does it pass the cool test? Let's see if I make some glasses out of these. Well, not real glasses, but... Okay. Hold up for a second. Am I done making it over? No, because the freaking thing would stick to my hands. So I guess I'm not done. It already passed, like, every test, but the coolness yet. So, yeah. So I just ripped the part off. Okay, so you see that? So you're gonna take like a little bit. You're going to make these square. That was the perfect shape. So there you go. They're gonna make some other ones. Okay. And this also like does a stretchy test, I guess, as well, because it like has to stretch, I guess. Hold on. This won't come off my hands, but okay. Okay, there you go. There you go. There you go. Okay, so it passes the cool test, but I have one more thing I want to do before it leaves me. Hold on. So you're gonna mark it right here. And you're gonna go like that, and go like that. Yes, I love it. Okay. So I said that we might make slime at the end of the video. Maybe, I don't know. But I don't know if I said that either. But I'm not going to do the other one because, yeah. That could be a whole nother video. Okay. So, do you think there has to be soap in here? Okay. Let's reactivate it as well. Because if this gets deactivated and then it should already be reactivated because I already added some stuff into it. It looks like it's just deactivated. So, yeah. Okay. I'm gonna try so hard to get this reactivated because I don't need it deactivated. I'm gonna overactivate this. How about I do that because there's already soap in the container still, so. I'm going to overactivate it. Okay, so you're gonna add more than enough because that's always fun. And if this might turn into a video, no, I'm just kidding. Another video now. It don't need any more time. It's already been 20 minutes. Okay. This is still good, and I overactivated it. Yeah, I don't care if it don't stretch, and it's like good quality. So, yeah. Okay. And I'm gonna also, okay. Ready? I put it in. Let's see if it fits. Does it barely fit? Pack that. Get all the corners. Got to. We have to make this spotless. So I'm going to take some of that over there. Okay. So that's what it looks like. But what about if I add... Well, let me... Wait. It does. It fits. Wow. Okay. Cool. So let's just make some slime. I'm so stupid. Actually, I'm not because I have another one. Okay. So here's my pink glue, and I think that was my mixed slime. And here's my purple glue. And here's my other thing. Here's my other slime. Oh wow, this does need, that one didn't even need a makeover. This one, bad. Bad. Okay, well, I think I'm gonna make some pink slime. Oh wait, wait, hold on. I'm gonna yeet that back over there. And I'm going to, what else should I yeet? Oh, never mind. I was about to yeet another thing, but, or fleet, or deet another thing. But, guess what? This glue is super hard to get out. Okay, there you go. So, just got that. We are going to need a lot of lotion because these slimes need to be soft and they need to be big. So lotion and some soap if I can get it. Oh wow. Okay. Okay, so now I don't have nothing to stir this with. Wait, does this work? It's trying, but it don't. Okay. Okay, there we go. There you go. So this is a much like... I don't think I've ever seen this. Okay. That. Okay, so I just added in some more soap and it's purple, so hopefully, yeah. It's also kind of clear, and I don't know about that, but, and I'm gonna add some more so I don't know what's turning into because it's literally turning into white. That's all I see right now. It's a white pink. That scared me. Okay. Okay, let's go and pour that in. Okay, so it's really, I don't know how to put it. Okay, hopefully it starts activating more because, look. Okay, did I add too much? No. Okay, this is like barely activating. I'm about to add in so much because it won't activate. It's like not activating at all. Like, I'm like stuck on one stage, and that's a sticky stage. And did you see how much I added in there? Like, and I added that twice because I did that. Okay, now I think it's time to really activate. Oh my god, oh my god. Okay, hopefully this works. I'm starting to stir with my finger because I really want to fill this, and it's like, it's almost keeping me stuck on the same stage because if it does that again, so there, it kind of, it's coming together. Let's just say that. It's coming together. Okay, I think this adding too much lotion thing. Wait, I did add too much, but like, I think it's gonna make it jiggly, and I haven't had jiggly slime in a while. Yeah, cause no other slime jiggles like this one. Cause look, it's like jiggly, prickly, and it like barely stretches. So that's a good sign. Well, it does stretch, but it also rips at the same time. So that's a jiggly sign. which is a little weird. Bro, I'm gonna have to have another freaking container because this container little thing is not gonna do it. Because I have another slime that goes in that container. Yeah, this has been 31 minutes. Wow. And I've been fixing, making slime, whatever you want. It's been a long way. Whoa. If it's been 30 minutes, wait for it. There's only 30 more minutes to make it, 39 more minutes to make it, 29 more minutes to make it an hour, and I don't want my video being that long because I gotta keep you interested. So yeah. So right now I'm just playing with it because I don't know what else to do, and right now I'm cleaning out the bowl because that's what it needs. Don't need nothing else but cleaning out the bowl. Cleaning out the bowl. Okay. So that little thing could turn into something else, like big. Big. So yeah. Okay, I think I'm done, but look. You see that? I gotta find another container. And I hate finding containers because I can never find one. And oh, my hair just got stuck in there for a second. And when I find containers, my dad's like, it's mine, so you need to leave it alone. But I'm like, bruh. Okay, I have 4 slimes now. No. Yeah, I have 4 slimes. Bro, like this little thing can turn into so much more. Okay, well, this is going to be the end of the video. Just because I feel like it, and it's been a long video as well, so don't need no more. But I love the slime. It's a little. It's a little bit deactivated, which is okay, but it needs to be a little bit more activated, and then it would be like the perfect slime I've wanted for like 3, 4, 5 weeks or a month. I don't know, but I've been trying to make jiggly slime and it hasn't been working, so yeah. Wait, hold on. How much time do I have left? Okay, I have like, wait a second. I don't have that much left. I need to activate this though. I am not wasting that much time on 3 freaking slimes. And I only have like a quarter of it gone. So yeah. Okay, look. Okay, there's my slime. But look. It barely jiggles. Why can't it just jiggle? Like, you are making me irritated. Look. Okay. It jiggles in my hand. It jiggles in my hand, but when I do this, it jiggle. That's a problem. Okay. Well, I think I'm done with this slime. Yeah, and I'm gonna put it in a bag. And I'm gonna get this out of my way. So, including, y'all, do you think I'm really gonna fleet this? Because, let me make sure this is on. Because you're probably right. Fleet. Okay. And I will be picking up those ingredients. All of them. Okay. Put this back on. Give it some glue, maybe. Put this back on. Play with this a little bit. Get this out of my way. Nothing. I made some slime, that's what I was doing. So now that I'm done, I'm not even kidding, that landed. Oh my god. Bro, I threw that bottle of soap back
You know, if that
there.
soap opens up, your dad's gonna kill you.
Bro. Wow. That landed, I was like, oh. And actually, nobody's like, nowhere, like, over there, not. Over there, not. So my grandma, she was playing her game. Grandma, did you hear anybody go stand that up?
No.
Okay, then. But, yeah, that landed. Okay, ready, 1, 2, 3. Grandma, if that bottle opened, you would kill me. Not my dad, you.
Probably right.
Okay, so there you go.
But I would do it with regret.
Yeah. There you go. So you ready? Boom!
Right, when you're choking to death, I would say, oh, I'm so sorry.
And then when I die, you'd be like crying, and everybody, and then you'd be in jail. You'd be like, but I.
I'd say your dad did it.
That's not a believable story.
Oh, buddy.
What happened? What happened? They'd be like, what happened? Oh well, her dad, she threw something, she fleeked it, and then her dad got mad and she killed her. He choked her. I tried to eat him off him. Yeah, that would not be a true story.
I like to make it true. I'd be crying and carrying on and saying, I tried to stop him.
And then when they get his side of the story, they're gonna find out.
They don't believe him, though.
They're gonna be like,
I'm an old lady, they'll believe me.
okay. And then I'll wake up, I'll be like, it's her! And they're gonna be like, oh. And who would believe that my dad would kill me? Nobody. Now, who would believe you killing me? Everybody. Okay, so did you see that bubble, y'all? Okay. This is the end story. So, hi. Bro.